Welcome to Early Learners, featuring the 18th sound of the English language, which is diphthong sound OU owl and OW owl. The OW also makes the long O sound O, O, O. Okay, we're going to catch up to this spaceship in a minute. I just want to give a teaching tool that most people are not taking advantage of is that flat screen TV you just bought for Christmas. That is the best teaching tool you got in your home. Take that TV, hook it up to your iPad, your iPod, your computer, or your tablet. Use the manuals for those products and see exactly how to hook it up to your flat screen TV. That flat screen TV is the best teaching tool that you can use. It makes a difference. It makes a big difference. That's right. Okay, the shuttle is still being piloted by Little Johnny, and Little Johnny May, pulling into the 18th sound of the English language, which is OU owl. OU sounds like owl, and OW sounds like owl, but OW sounds like this long O sound. O, as in low, no, and flow. Okay, let's connect the shuttle up here and secure it down. Turn off the engines. Load up the cargo bay with OU owl, OW owl, and OWO. Okay. OU owl, OW owl, OWO. Okay, let's fire up the engines. Close the cargo door bay. Fire up the engines. Let's release the shuttle. And Little Johnny May gonna take on over and I'm gonna show you how to blend it using blend phonics delivery. Shout. Sh. Ow. Shout. He shouted real loud. I. Couch. Ouch. Couch. Gonna sit down on the couch. Round. Ow. Round. A round basketball. A circle. Found. Ow. Found. The chicken found her eggs again. Found. South. Ow. South. It's a picture of South America. South America. Mouth. Ow. Mouth. When the teacher is talking, it's time to zip your lip, close your mouth. Proud. Per. Ow. Proud. Picture of a proud eagle. Bounce. Basketball bouncing. B. Ow. Bounce. Bounce the basketball. Mouse. M. Ow. Mouse. A rat. House. Huh. Ow. House. A dog house. Loud. L. Ow. D. Loud. She blow. Cloud. Cl. Ow. D. Cloud. Pretty white clouds in a pretty blue sky. Cow. Ow. Cow. A dairy cow off the farm. Dairy cow. How. Huh. Ow. How. The baby is learning how to walk. Now. N. Ow. Now. The store is open now. Come on in. Clown. Cl. Ow. Clown. A smiley faced clown with yellow hair. Down. D. Ow. Down. He is skiing down the hill. Brown. Brr. Ow. Brown. A brown pretty puppy. Ow. Ow. Owl. A pretty owl. How. Huh. Ow. Howl. A wolf howling. Power. P. Ow. Power. The power button on your TV, your cell phone, your tablet. Shower. Ow. Shower. Gotta take a shower. Get cleaned up. Tower. Ow. Tower. The Tower of London. Big Ben. Tower. France Tower. In France. Paris, France. Okay. Chow. Ch. Ow. Chow. Gotta go chow down on this big old burger. Chow. Yum yum. OW sounds like oh. Oh. Snow. Oh. Snow. Playing in the snow. Toe. Oh. Toe. A tow truck pulling a car. Yellow. Y. E. Oh. yell, l, o, low, yellow, yellow flowers, bow, b, o, bow, a green bow on a pink box, row, oh, row. The lady is in a red rowboat. Row. More. M. O. R. More. A lawnmower to go out and cut the grass with. Joel. J. O. R. Joel. His name is Joel. He's planting a new tree in the ground so it can grow. Follow. A. L. Fa. L. O. Low. Follow. Follow the green arrow to the right. Follow. Bowl. B. O. R. Bowl. A bowl full of apples. Show. Sh. O. Show. Smile and show your teeth. Grow. Grr. Oh. Grow. Plant the flower in the ground so it can grow. Grow. Crow. Cur. Oh. Crow. A black crow. Crow. And a rooster crow. Rooster crow. Best I can do on that one. No child left behind.